Samsung fans, we know you've been on edge about the S Pen. Last year's Galaxy Z Fold SE completely ditched support for it, and even the Galaxy S25 Ultra saw its S Pen stripped of Bluetooth features. That classic stylus magic we all loved seemed to be fading away. But hold on, there's a twist in the story. A fresh patent, recently spotted by 91 Mobiles in WIPO's database, hints at an exciting comeback. This patent, granted on February 25th, suggests that Samsung's upcoming Trifold smartphone, rumored to be called the Galaxy G Fold, might bring back the S Pen. And it's not just an accessory this time. The sketches reveal a dedicated S Pen slot, built right into the device. Alongside it, we see the usual volume and power buttons positioned on top, while the bottom houses a USB-C port for charging and data transfer. If this turns out to be true, it could mean a return to the seamless S Pen experience that Samsung fans have been missing. But the S Pen isn't the only thing making headlines. The patent also gives us a sneak peek at a design that's quite different from what we expected. Instead of the long, narrow look seen on the Galaxy Z Fold 6, the sketches suggest something shorter and wider, a form factor that closely resembles Samsung's Flex G concept. What's even more interesting is the dual inner folding mechanism. Unlike Huawei's Mate X, which uses a zigzag fold to let the foldable screen double as an external display, Samsung's approach folds both sides inward. This means the inner screen remains completely protected when the phone is closed, but it also requires a separate external display for regular use. It's a bold design choice that prioritizes durability while offering a fresh take on foldable smartphones. Now, let's talk about the display, because this could be a major upgrade. Leaks suggest that the Galaxy G Fold will feature a massive 9.96-inch foldable internal display, a significant jump from the 7.6-inch screen on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. That's nearly the size of a compact tablet when fully unfolded, making multitasking, gaming, and media consumption more immersive than ever. But that's not all. Alongside this giant inner display, the device is expected to include a 6.54-inch secondary screen on the outside. This would ensure that users can still interact with the phone without needing to unfold it constantly. If these numbers hold true, the Galaxy G Fold could offer one of the largest display experiences ever seen on a foldable smartphone. But before we get too excited, there's a slight twist: the launch might be delayed. According to well-known tipster Max Jamber, Samsung might not release the Galaxy G Fold alongside its other foldables this summer. Initially, many expected it to debut alongside the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, but now, reports suggest we might have to wait at least another 6 months. So, when can we expect it? Looking at Samsung's typical release schedule, it's likely that the Galaxy G Fold could arrive in September or October 2025, possibly alongside the FE series and flagship tablets. While this delay might be disappointing for fans eagerly waiting to get their hands on the device, it could also mean Samsung is taking extra time to refine its Trifold technology and ensure a polished final product. Now, the real question is, does the return of the S Pen and this fresh, compact design make up for the delay? Or is this just another twist in Samsung's ever-evolving foldable lineup? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, stay tuned for more updates.